Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave.
What's up, Key Nation? It's your girl Keeks, Janee, and I am back with another video. And as you guys can already tell by the title, this is going to be a video about me doing my box braids with these beautiful strings. And as you can already tell, I started my hair already off camera because I was on the phone for like a long time, and yeah. So my hair is already sectioned and parted by rubber bands, and all I do is I spray my hair with some water and get a little bit of some Eco Style gel, and I put that on my hair before I start braiding. In total, I used about 3 packs of the Expressions braiding hair. And you know, to be honest, I thought I was gonna need more, so I bought 5 just in case. But yeah, I only need 3 packs. Before you start braiding your hair, the most important thing is to like stretch the weave, because if you don't and you leave it like how it is now, your braids are not gonna be like, I don't know how to explain it, but they're gonna look very ugly at the end. To stretch the weave, all you're doing is just like pulling the strands down, but not all at the same time and not all like next to each other. You're just pulling individual strands, or like, you know, chunks, and stretching it so it looks like this. How you can see like my hair, like where my hair ends and where the with the brown hair, I didn't like how you can see it where it meets up. So I'll show you guys when I get to that point where I just put one of the little gold clips over it and you can't even tell. Now this part right here, I'm gonna slow it down so you guys can really pay attention. So as you can see, I have 3 strands, but that part is thicker than the other 2. So all you're gonna do is just grab a little piece of that hair from the thicker side and make it evenly throughout. Can make your braids however long you want them to be, and all you have to do at the end is just seal it with some nail glue. Whew. Okay, we're finally on the last freaking braid, and I know my edges look crazy, but that's because I had to like brush them away from the little ponytail or whatever. I had to brush them away from the braid because I didn't want to snatch my edges out, you know. So yeah. Okay, looking back on this video, I didn't really have that great of an angle for y'all to like see what I was doing in order to braid, but as you can see, I split the hair in 2, and I'm using my hair as the 3rd strand to start the braid off. string on here, which honestly was my favorite part. Like before, my favorite part about doing braids were like little gold clips, but now that like people are doing the gold string or like whatever color string you want, but me, I prefer gold. I just think like it really makes the hair pop. And when I tell y'all, doing this is so easy. Like I thought it was gonna be so much more harder than what it is, but all you're doing is just like crisscrossing back and forth around the braid. Like that's literally it. And once you're done like wrapping it around, all you do is just tie a knot, cut the extra string off, and use some of that nail glue to keep it together. Now I gotta go lay these edges real quick. So I'm not sure why, but a lot of people, they always use mousse to put on your hair once you finish braiding, and to be honest, it feels good to me, so I put it on there. I think it's supposed to like keep your hair from frizzing up. I don't know, I just do it because they've done it with me before. Next, you're going to take some boiling hot water and dip your braids in it. Alright you guys, so that's the end of this video. If you guys loved it, don't forget to leave a like and drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Do you love me? Love me? Love me? Love me? Are you riding?